Welcome everyone to HFN, where we trade different. Today is December the 7th, 2019. Here to update you all on the price movement in Bitcoin from our last video, which was done on the 3rd of December. Thank you all for coming to our particular channel. You guys appreciate the content. You see how easy it is to try to forecast price movement without being confused. Definitely, before you go and leave this video, hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, our website, HueFinancial.com. All those locations is where we will be displaying and issuing out our forecast as to what we see in the financial markets. So now let's talk about Bitcoin for today. Like I stated, the market, the last time we did our video in Bitcoin was right here on the 4th of December with expectation into the market that Bitcoin was going to move lower. And it did not do that at all. Since our video has been posted on the 4th of December, Bitcoin saw higher prices, right? So obviously the market in Bitcoin is not following according as what we purposed on our last video. So yes, we are in a loss position, 4.29% in that forecast, or let me scoot this up just a little bit more, of about 5.13%. And it happens, this is just one indication to where our forecast did not go according as what we anticipated. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and get rid of that. And you can still tell though that the market in Bitcoin is really not that enthused to see higher prices. We are still seeing some indication of some slight resistance around $7,600, even all the way up there to $7,800. That is the true resistance area in the market in Bitcoin. Quick look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. You can still see here that the market in Bitcoin is not that interested in seeing higher prices. We are finding a lacking of emphasis of higher prices right there around $7,600 to $7,700 in Bitcoin. 3-hour chart, like I stated, the market is just getting a little bit tired of trying to continue to see some higher prices. We came up here to $7,600 just like we did here previously. We did that once again, and now we're seeing some more movement to the downside play out. I wanted to show you all the weekly price chart in Bitcoin as well, showing you that the market volatility is really going both ways. We're getting some indecisional trading going on across the space in Bitcoin, which simply means that the market in the long term is vying for a battle between which one's going to win out, whether the market's going to move higher, whether it's going to move lower. That's why we're getting the market small spread as well as open and closing to where we started out the first day of this week. So it could go either way on the weekly price chart, but on the monthly price chart, overwhelmingly the market is severely more weaker than it is showing us the strength. So in the long term, the movement in Bitcoin to the downside is still ongoing. We're just seeing some sideways consolidation of trading from the weekly to the daily, even on the hourly time frames. That's all we're getting is the market in Bitcoin consolidating. But the monthly price chart, longer term, yes, Bitcoin is still anticipated to continue to see some lower prices, and we're eyeing around that $6,000 price level to be a pretty good area of support. It doesn't mean that it's going to hold it there, but it's going to try. So once we actually get to that $6,000 level, we should start emphasizing and looking at how the market plays out to determine whether or not it's actually going to hold that number as support. Okay, so now looking on the 4-hour chart, I don't like the market in Bitcoin as of this particular moment to see higher prices. But again, if anyone tells you anything different, the market in Bitcoin is just really consolidating. Okay, I can go ahead and create like an ascending triangle that you can all use and gauge to show you how the market in Bitcoin is really trading on an ascending triangle. So this is how the market in Bitcoin is really trading alongside this ascending triangle. So it's still going to try to hit that $7,800 level as we continue to try to see this market move higher. But we got that $7,600 that is impending Bitcoin's movement to the upside right now. Okay, so I think I'm gonna get rid of that right here. And you can still see here how the market in Bitcoin this is the area that we're going to follow in Bitcoin as we trade out on the daily time frame. Okay, this is the area, this is the ascending line that the market in Bitcoin is trading. I still don't like it. Even though the last 2 days we saw the market in Bitcoin see higher prices, just by drawing this ascending triangle in the space, I'm still seeing overwhelmingly more weakness in the market in Bitcoin. So our forecast, even though from the last one was for it to move lower, I'm still going to go for that same type of depiction. I'm just going to hold that $7,800 level as resistance again in this space in Bitcoin. So we're going to vie for the market in Bitcoin to continue to see some lower prices. Okay. So again, this is our updated forecast into the market for Bitcoin, looking for the market to move to the downside. We would TP it right here at $74.95, around $7,500, which would be about 1.5% profit in that forecast. But again, I'm not seeing the market in Bitcoin showing us a lot of strength, especially if we close the way that we look right now in this daily price bar. Okay, so currently this is our anticipated price move in Bitcoin. Let us know your thoughts with a comment in the comment section of the video, without the confusion, without all the noise and the fluff. This is what we're looking at in the market in Bitcoin. So let us know your thoughts. Make sure you always maintain your profitability, and I will see you on the next one.